Hi, welcome to MktMetrics Morning. I'm Doug Gale. I'll be your host today. Just suppose for the moment you know what the exchange insiders know. MktMetrics does. It's important for you to know what the specialists and market makers are currently doing with their inventory. What do you say we take a look? We begin Tuesday's trading by examining the Dow, and we notice that the Dow trend is unchanged on the day versus Monday's reading of 65%. The Dow momentum is unchanged as well at 48%. Dow volatility decreased to 0.47% from 1.80% the previous day. The Dow 50-day net change increased slightly to a negative 444 from negative 448. Let's take a deeper look into what the smart money is currently doing with their inventory. As we look closely, we notice that the exchange insiders inventory is rising a tad to negative 9% from a negative 11% the previous day. Institutional money flow rising 45% from 39%. Institutional demand falling 52.7% versus 55.2%. Institutional inventory falling as well, 54.9% from 55.1% the previous day. Institutional accumulation distribution trend, negative 10% versus negative 19% the previous day. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed yesterday positive 0.96% above its current falling 21-day moving average versus 1.30% the previous day. The Dow rose to its falling 50-day moving average on Friday before considerable pullback. The aborted assault on the 50-day moving average is significant. The Dow trend and 50-day net change have moved off their respective lows, but are unchanged on the day. I was expecting a 200-plus range in yesterday's trading, of which the balance will be seen this morning. Afterwards, we should see stability like firming in the stock market and maybe even a rise later in the day. Let's take a look at the outlook for both the Dow and the stock market. We begin today's trading by seeing that the Dow outlook is bearish yet rising, 41% versus 35% the previous day. Stock market outlook bullish yet falling, 52.8% versus 58.8% the previous day. The Dow has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 66%, whereas the diamonds, the Dow Jones 30 exchange traded fund, has a probability of closing up Tuesday of 68%. So it looks like it may turn out to be an okay day. As we look at Monday's results from the 11 o'clock hour suggestions for the previous day's trading, we see that we were long 25 positions, accurate on 17 for 48.6% accuracy on the long side. On the short side, we were short 65 positions, correct on 56, for a total accuracy of 86.2% on the day. Monday's results from the actual trading are a $250,000 account that began on October 30th. Current account value is $253,873, up $2,900 on the day. I'm Doug Gale, not always right, just very seldom wrong. Please visit me daily at MktMetrics.com. Check out the blog. I do post at night, 11 o'clock hour, and also twice in the morning. The stock market forecast as well as an example of our product you